What if I was partially at fault for the car accident? Can I still recover for personal injury? Hi, I'm Paul Hernandez, attorney at Kalfus and Nachman, litigating cases in Virginia and North Carolina. This is a very important question. Negligence laws vary from state to state. Unfortunately, Virginia and North Carolina still hold on to the old and archaic law of contributory negligence. If you were negligent at all and that negligence was a contributing cause of the accident, you cannot make a recovery for the accident and resulting injuries. This is true regardless of how badly injured you were. This is why it is very important that you contact an experienced personal injury attorney before you call the insurance company. Insurance company adjusters are trained to ask you questions that may give the illusion that you may have some fault in the crash. Never provide a recorded statement without having an experienced accident attorney by your side. Remember, the call and personal and private consultation are free. Let me give you another reason why you want to call an experienced personal injury attorney before you call the insurance company. This is because if the defendant's conduct rises to the level of gross negligence or willful and wanton negligence, his conduct could cancel out your negligence and you can recover for your injuries. The insurance company will not share with you this information nor the defendant's conduct, which could assist your case. The most common conduct of the defendant that will rise to the level of willful and wanton is if the defendant was drunk. There are particular requirements that must be met. However, if the person who caused your accident was drunk, you should call an experienced attorney right away and find out if that will cancel out your negligence. This also makes it very important that if you suspect the person who caused your accident may be under the influence of alcohol or drugs, you should notify the investigating officer of what you observed. It is also a good idea to use your cell phone and take photos or video of the defendant and the inside of his car to memorialize evidence like beer bottles, drugs, slurred speech, or the person being unsteady on his feet. While there are many times where your negligence may affect the viability of your claim, it is always important to call an experienced auto accident attorney that will explain negligence issues with you, such as contributory negligence and joint and several liability. For now, all you need to know is that if you were involved in an accident, you should never admit fault, and you should call an experienced accident attorney as soon as possible. If you have any questions about an automobile accident or whether to even hire an attorney, call me, Paul Hernandez, at 888-487-8546. I answer questions like this every day. And by the way, if you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button below. That way you'll be notified every time we post a new informative video. I'm Paul Hernandez, litigation attorney in Virginia and North Carolina, and thanks for watching.